How I make my hot tamales. Mix up my meat. I got onions, celery, and green pepper in there. Bunch of seasoning, chili powder, paprika, salt, pepper. Cooked, and then I put a taco packet over top of it. Season it up a little bit more. A lot of chili powder and some red flakes, some red pepper flakes. That's what my babies look like. This is my foil. I got some cheap foil this time. Dollar store, nah. Get you some good foil next time. So I came up with a new way to roll them. So I just folded it down as wide as I want to make my hot tamale to start it with. This is my leftover batter from the last batch I made. And that's the stock pot I'm going to use. So I'll be right back to show you the next step I do. Alright, so take a spoonful of my batter. My batter is just cornmeal, about a half a stick of butter, and a couple of cups of cornmeal, and a couple tablespoons of flour. And if you're interested, I'll put the recipe in the notes, in the comments, but it's all by hand, winging it. I don't have any measurements. Been making them since I was probably 18. My grandmother had a barbecue. Alexa, stop. Or turn down volume. Had a barbecue restaurant. So anyway, you see what I'm doing? I'm just patting it out enough so I can turn here, enough so I can turn there. So then I kind of square them off a little bit. Just make sure there's no holes and spaces. Now, I don't want to put too much juice in them because it'll be really, really juicy. Too juicy. But I want them to be moist. And I don't want the meat to be dry. So, I'll put about 3 little tablespoons in there. Like that. Then, now this is when you do it with foil. I made them with the corn husk also. Turn it right where I want it. Seal it. And then I just start rolling. And because this foil is kind of thin, cheapy, the other ones I made them in, I only made about 11 or 12 of them last time. I didn't have this problem with worried about the foil. I'll know next time I make them. Get some Reynolds wrap. I just turn them and fold them. Alright? And then I set them over there. Alright, I'm going to continue this, and I'm going to get them all done, and I'll come back and show you what to do next. See that butter? I had butter, and I seasoned it up just like I seasoned my meat. And then I just keep adding hot water to it until I can get it how I want it. I ran out of the other, so I had to make up some more. Cornmeal, flour, seasoning, butter. That's how I make mine. Some people make with oil, but I don't like oil. So I use a couple pats of butter. For this is, I don't even know how much this is. A couple of cups of cornmeal. Kind of hard to video and spoon while you're holding the camera, huh? So this still is not watery enough. You guys saw how it was before. That's just to give you, but like I said, I'll put a recipe in there for you. Since I was videoing, I said I'll come back and show you how I like it. See? That's how I like mine. Spreadable. Alright, I got probably about 30 in here. I'm just going to fill it, cover it, and then I'm going to cook it for about an hour on medium heat. Cover it. That's all I had left. No more after I use all my dough. So that's what I do. After they're done, I'll probably tomorrow roll one out, open it for you, and roll it out, and you can see what it looks like. Thanks for watching though this far. They're covered with hot water. Come back, that water is gonna look, woo. This is what it looks like 1 hour and 20 minutes after boiling. Okay, this is the next day. I made about 30 of them. And that's what they look like. This is how I warm. This is one way I warm them up. So I just got a little water in there. A little water. And then I got 2, and I'm going to let them come to a boil. I think I'm going to cover them. And then another way is I cut the ends off and I roll them out the thing and put them on a plate and put them in the microwave also. But this is the best way. It only takes a couple seconds, about 4 minutes. Show you what it looks like when I peel them out of the foil. Ooh, they're boiling. And then I took a tong and flipped them over. And give them another minute. And they'll be ready to eat. Okay, so what do? Cut the ends. Get my plate ready. I don't have a lot of workspace, so I kind of got a small kitchen. Do my best. Then I pick them up and unpeel them. Ooh, like this. Beautiful. My god sister I told her I made some, and she was telling me to try them with kiwi. I'm going to do that next time. I love kiwi. And it's so ironic that she said that because I was thinking about it. But I didn't think that it would hold together like masa or cornmeal. So, I'm trying to peel this one. Ooh, hot, 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 hot. Here we go. And get the corners. Just roll it right up. And it just rolls right up. Garbage. Alright, that was fun. That was fun. They stay together. They look really good. And I'm sure they're pretty hot. This time I made them really, really hot. Because I'm always giving stuff away, so. But look. Ooh. Very, very good. Oh. Good. Not my cutest day, but thanks for watching. That was fun.